Hello guys, in this video we will see how to create or set up AWS EC2 instance for Debian 12. So first connect to AWS Management Console, then click on Services and see here, click on Compute, then see here we have the EC2 or go to the search box and search for EC2. See here we have the EC2, click on EC2. See here at present I don't have any instances running. First you have to select the region in which region you want to create. Always recommended to select region that is near to your location. Okay, so select the region from this list, then click on launch instance or go to instances and click on launch instance. Both are same. Then provide the name for the EC2. I am giving deb 12 EC2. Name can be anything. Then see here we have the Debian. If you are unable to find the Debian here, then click on browse more AMIs. Okay, select Debian. Then see here we have only one AMI available in this list. Okay, that is Debian 12 and it is free tier eligible. Then go to instance type. See here T3.micro and T3.small are free tier eligible. Demo purpose I am using T3.small. Okay, based on your requirement you can select. Okay, then create key pair, that is a login. See, you can use a key pair to securely connect to your instance. Ensure that you have access to the selected key pair before you launch the instance. See, I don't have any key pair, so I am going to create new key pair for this Debian 12 EC2 instance. Click on create key pair and provide the name. I am giving same name as EC2 instance and see here key pair type. I am going to select RSA and key pair and private key file format .pem for use with OpenSSH. .ppk use with putty. Okay, so I want to use OpenSSH. Based on your requirement and use, you have to select. Once you select these options, you have to click on create key pair. Once we click on create key pair, it will download the FEM file. So click on create key pair. See, .pem file has been downloaded. Okay, now networking settings. See, I don't have any networks, so even if you click on edit, see, I don't have anything. Okay, VPC or subnet. Okay, so create a VPC in the same region. Okay, so search here or click on or right click on this, create a new VPC, then select open link in new tab. See, we got this one, or go to just VPC. This is one way. Otherwise, search here for VPC, right click on it, open link in new tab, click on somewhere, close this one. Now see here I am in the same region. Okay, and in this region I don't have any VPCs, so click on create VPC. I am going with all defaults. Just click on create VPC. See, VPC is created. Now go to here, then reload this one. See, we have the one VPC. Even if you reload subnets, we will have the subnets. I am going to select public subnet. Okay, then auto assign public IP, I am going to enable it. Then firewall or security groups, I am going to create new security group. If you want to use the existing one, you have to select this, select existing security group. Then you have to select from the drop down. Okay, I want to create separate security group. Then provide the name deb EC2-SG and description I am not going to provide. Next, inbound security group rules. By default it has added port number 22. Advanced configuration I am not going to configure. Then configure storage. By default it has selected 8 GB. I am giving 30 GB. See, free tier eligible customers can get up to 30 GB of EBS general purpose or magnetic storage. Okay, if you want more volume, you have to click on add new volume. Then here we have to provide. Okay, I don't want, just I am showing you how to add the additional volume. Click on it. Based on the options, that charges will be changed. Okay, next, advanced details. Domain join directory, I don't have anything. Even I don't want to join. If you want to create new directory, click on here. If you want to assign IAM instance profile, you have to select from this list. If you don't have, click on create new IAM profile. And hostname type IP name, DNS hostname, enable resource based IPv4. Then remaining options I am not going to configure. If you want to configure, you can configure now. Later also you can configure these options. I will show you how to configure this. Then scroll down. If you want to provide any user data or upload a file, you have to click on choose file. Okay, I don't want anything. Review the settings one more time. Okay, if you are okay with all the settings, Then see here summary, number of instances, one AMI, this is the AMI ID, virtual instance type. I have selected T3.small firewall, it is going to create new one. This is the volume or storage. If you are okay with all the settings, then click on launch instance. See launching instance, go to details, see all are green, click on this instance ID. See it has opened new tab. See instance state is running. If it is pending, wait until state to be changed to running. Okay, and this is the public IP, this is the private IP address, public DNS name, private IP DNS name, host name type. Okay, elastic IP we haven't configured, VPC ID, subnet ID, and other information. See here we have the details, status, alarms, monitoring, security, networking, storage, and tags. Okay, we have given only this one. Okay, now go up and see here we have the three options: connect, instance state, and actions. We will check one by one. Now we will see how to connect to this AWS EC2 instance for Debian. Click on it and see here we have the four options: EC2 instance connect, session manager, SSH client, and EC2 serial console. In this video I am going to connect by using SSH client. Click on it, then see here this is the command. Okay, so copy this command, just click on this copy button, open command prompt if you are on Windows, open terminal if you are on Linux or Mac systems, cmd, then go to the path where that PEM file is there, cd. In my case it is there in downloads ls. Okay, dir verify .pem, because this command accessing this PEM file, so we must be there wherever that file is there. So see here we have the PEM file. Okay, so paste it, hit enter, type sn, hit enter. See we have successfully connected, and this is the username, this is the private IP or local IP of this Debian operating systems. So first verify version of the Debian that we have connected, more /etc os-release. See we have connected Debian 12 and its code name is Bookworm. Okay, you took it, Ctrl L to clear screen. The first step after connecting to Debian 12 EC2 instances, we have to update the packages. Sudo apt update && sudo apt upgrade, hit enter, type and hit enter, and see here new version. A new version of configuration file etc is available, but the version installed currently has been locally modified. What do you want to do? Okay, I want to keep the local version currently installed. Select it and give the tab to come to OK and hit enter. See we have successfully updated. Now we can do whatever you want with the Debian Linux. Okay, now go to here, again go to instance ID, then next option instance state. See we have the options. See this start instance and hibernate instance are grayed out. Why? Because it is in running state. If it is stopped, then we have these options also enabled. Okay, then it will be disabled or grayed out. Okay, if you want to stop the instance, click on stop instance. If you want to reboot the instance, click on this reboot instance. And if you want to delete this instance permanently, you have to click on terminate instance. So if you are not using, stop the instance. If you are not using permanently, just select this terminate instance, then it will ask confirmation. I'm not doing. Okay, this is the way. Then actions. See here we have the instance diagnostics, instance settings. You can change these settings. As I told you, you can change the letter. See we have these options. If you want, you can change. Security also. If you want to change security groups or modify IAM role, you can. And instance image template, create image or create template from the instance or launch more, like this. And see here we have the monitoring settings. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to create AWS EC2 instance for Debian 12 operating systems. Then we have seen how to connect to it. Okay, for more AWS tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.